What's going on, guys? We're out here in the garden today. My name is Dina. Welcome back to my channel. I have a short video for you today. We're gonna be scooching some taters. Now, I have some potato plants. There's some behind me right here. I had a little volunteer potato plant right here. I'm gonna dig this guy up and check to see if he grew some potatoes, and then I'm gonna scooch some taters over here. Let's do this. This was a volunteer potato plant that had come up from last year. I just harvested this nice cucumber right here. I'm probably gonna make some more sushi with that. So we're gonna dig this guy up. Let's see. Lots of wood chips. We're gonna have to dig past all these wood chips. Oh look, here's a little guy right now. A little potato. Let me get a wider view here. Go. Ooh, some worm action. There's the potato that it grew from. Let's see if we have any action down here. No potatoes from that little volunteer, which is fine because I didn't plant that. So put those wood chips back. So just that small little tatey. All right, we're gonna go over here to my potatoes. We're gonna scooch some of these taters. So these are potatoes that I deliberately planted. We're gonna try to scooch some taters from, oh, look at that right there. All right, so little tiny guys. See it. Oh boy, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Woo! It's awesome. I'm just gonna check around here a little bit. Look at this, look at all the worms in my garden. Makes things super nutrient rich, these worms. The worms also till your garden. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. Oh, that's so exciting. Excuse the shadows, guys, sorry. Let's see. That's all I want to take for now. And we're gonna let this plant keep growing. That is the concept of scooching taters. It's grabbing some potatoes without pulling your plants up. Let's see if there's any on this side that I can scooch out. Lots of worms, lots of worms. I want to leave those though. Actually, I could probably scooch this guy out. Yeah. Leave those covered up. Okay. Scooch some of these taters. Yeah. Now this plant's pretty died back, so we're just gonna go ahead and get on in there. Oh yes. I love little baby potatoes. They're nice and tender. Oh, it's like digging up treasure, y'all. I might even be able to leave this plant in here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, so cool. Yeah, we are gonna leave this plant in here. So cover that back up. We just wanted to scooch a few taters today. And we'll let these guys keep growing. Bring these over here all together. You know what? I'm gonna stick this back in and see if it keeps growing. Who knows, yeah? Grow some more taties. Stick you back in there. All right. Something's telling me I should get in here and scooch some taters, so I'm gonna check this little area right here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, a couple small little babies. Oh man, tell you what, this is one of the funnest things to harvest. All right, grab this box right here. Got my high class garden harvest container. Take these babies inside. And that's how you scooch some taters. Here's that harvest I just scooched and picked. I washed a couple of them off so you can see their beautiful hues. And you can see this one has a couple of holes, but that's how you know it's organic. And that's why it's a good thing to scooch some taters, because you can kind of test out if the potatoes are truly ready or not. The longer you leave them in the ground after they are ready, that just leaves them susceptible to more bugs to get in them and worms and whatnot to crawl in them. So I'm gonna wash these off. I'll probably cook these up today or tomorrow. Well, I might let them cure up a little bit. Definitely gonna eat this today though. That's it for today, guys. Let me know if you like this shorter style, more of a vlog type video, and sort of a how-to as well on how to scooch taties. I hope you guys have a great day. As always, keep growing.